Hyundai in Hoover, and I just want to thank you for your recent inquiry on the 22 Palisade. I got one for that piss. Let's just take a look at it. You got your diamond cut grill here. You have your LED daytime running lights. You have your alloy 20-inch rims. Now we're going to take a look at the inside. This vehicle comes equipped with all your best safety features. You have your blind spot warning, your lane keep assist, you have your backup camera, you have your heated and cooled seats, your heated steering wheel, and in the back you have your heated and cooled seats as well. And you also got your double sunroof. But the best thing about this vehicle is the warranty. Your 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty. Then you have your 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty that we double here at Tameron. 20 years, 200,000 miles. So please come down, get you a test drive. My name is Sierra, and I look forward to talking to you. 404-992-6582. Give me a call.